best drone for auto tracking. Hello everyone, here I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share a list of the best drones for auto tracking. So, without wasting any second, let's have a look at our list and start with our top first option. And yes, if you like this video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also press share, comment, and subscribe button. Now, let's start with this video. Number 1. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 Drone. Here we have one of the best drones for auto tracking that you can have at an affordable range. As you may have already realized, DJI is the father in terms of follow-me drones, and their modern reincarnation of certainly considered one among their flagship preferences is no special in that it excels at the entirety it does and offers a number of the great videography we visible on a mainstream drone. If 4K video is your factor, then the Phantom Pro 4 V2 is a must as long as the price range allows. It isn't cheap, however it's far able to offer 4K video at a whopping 60 FPS. Maximum in this web page are restricted to 30 FPS and has a battery existence of around 30 minutes that is the marketplace main for now. If you're involved regarding protection, then there's no need to be with the Pro 4 V2 because it functions no much less than 5 instructions of impediment avoidance, which means the hardware has you included all ends up and down. Equipped with a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor, the camera at the Pro 4 V2 is the primary DJI drone to make use of a mechanical instead of a digital shutter and makes for a number of the great high-resolution drone images and video we've ever witnessed. It even places the Inspire 2 to the test. Number 2. Parrot Scorpion Drone. Here we have another exceptional drone for agriculture. This is one of the best drones that you can have at a very low price and is considered good for taking pictures and data selections. The Parrot Scorpion comes as a sprayer drone with a fixed wing design. So if you require any fixed wing drone, then this is a great option. Otherwise, you can also choose any other option depending on your work needs. This low price package has gone pretty popular as it's far inexpensive whilst offering several reliability for farmers that they need the most for their agriculture work. The Parrot Scorpion is taken into consideration as one of the excellent agriculture drones because of its complicated and appropriate digital cam in addition to capturing pictures in very pristine ways. Overall, that is a completely first-rate package deal which you need to never leave out on, particularly in case you select a fixed-wing kind drone. So, this is all about this option. I am sure you like this affordable choice. Now let's move towards the next slot and see what we have for you. Number 3. The SenseFly EB SQ Drone. Here we have another exceptional drone that you can have for agriculture mapping. This one also belongs to the fixed wing category. So if you did not like the previous option, then you can also consider this one. The EB SQ is a fixed wing drone designed to hold the Parrot Sequoia, a light, multispectral drone sensor which could click pictures of plants throughout 4 extraordinarily defined, seen and unseen spectral bands, plus RGB imagery, in only one flight. Once the drone's pictures were processed, customers can use software programs which include Pix 4D Mapper Ag Pro software program, or cloud primarily based ways which include Mica, Sense, Atlas, and Aeronos. The Sequoia's extensive spectral information allows several plant life indices to be computed such as NDVI, NDRI, McCary, and CCCI, capable of generating maps that could examine elements which include a plant's chlorophyll levels, a key indicator of crop health. SenseFly says the drone can count up to 10 instances extra floor than small quadcopter drones. SenseFly was acquired by Parrot in 2012. Additionally, the organization holds the name of the most famous fixed-wing drone within the US. So, this is all about this option. Now let's move to the next slot. I hope you will like this one too. Number 4. Masoom 210 with Zenmuse XT2 Drone. Here we have another best drone for thermal imaging while in agriculture. This one is great and provides accurate results. By combining aerial infrared and visible cameras, farmers can see a view of vegetation that cannot be visible with the bare eye. Higher information about wholesome vs. distressed plants and permits for speedy movement where necessary. The Masoom 210 can bring huge payloads, whether or not it is a third-party sensor, and cameras from multispectral to hyperspectral and complete frame, or its personal DJI Zenmuse XT2 Twin Thermal Digital Digicam. The drone may be upgraded with DJI DRTK GNS device to permit for centimeter stage soaring accuracy. It's additionally well matched with DJI SDK, so customers can manage as much as 5 planes simultaneously, making analyzing huge farmland extra effective than formerly possible. The camera and drone are well matched with DJI Pilot, an Android app designed for company customers that lets you to regulate flight modes, Xeon display screen temperature measurements, and extra. The ZenMuse XD2 is likewise well suited with DJI M200 series, M200 series V2, and M600 Pro drones. So, this is all about this option. Now let's have a look at the last slot and see what we have at this last number. Number 5. Center is NDVI single sensor. Here we have one of the best and most exceptional drones that you should need for NDVI. NDVI, the Normalized Distinction Vegetation Index, is an essential graphical indicator for farmers to research faraway sensing measurements and verify whether or not the land includes stay green plant life or not. NDVI pictures can be capable of prescribing fertilizer applications, estimate yields, and become aware of weeds. If you have already got a DJI drone, both the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, Inspire, or Mavic drone, the exceptional price range alternative is including Center's NDVI single sensor, designed particularly to combine with the one's drones. The sensor captures visual band, RGB, near-infrared, NIR, and normalized distinction plant life index and DVI statistics, after which translates it within the subject to discover trouble regions and reply with action. If you have a Mavic or Phantom, you may need to send your drone to Centera or a Centera legal dealer, and they will go back it as a precision ag device that produces extraordinary NDVI or NDRI information. If you have an Inspire, it is even easier. You simply click on the double 4K sensor into the Inspire's current socket. No equipment required. So, this is all about the best drone for agriculture. So if you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also subscribe to the channel for further details. Now, I'm going to end this video, and yes, you should also watch our other videos. I'm sure it will be helpful for you. Furthermore, if you want to have other information about these shared options, then you can check the links given in the description box for further details.